Alright, hi everyone, this is Brian here from The Boring Husband. So the stock in focus that we have today is Unity Software. So Unity Software has fallen a lot from its all-time highs of 220. Okay, and what I like about the stock at its current levels is that first of all we can see that the first bullish indicator that we have is actually what we call a golden cross forming when the 50-day breaks above the 200-day. The second thing that I like about the stock that I find bullish is actually how when we look at the candlesticks, right, it's very impulsive towards the upside. So you can see that it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of selling, correct, over here, and immediately, just after two trading days, we are back to this so-called near-term all-time high. So with this kind of impulsive move upwards, it kind of suggests that there's a lot of strength in the stock. And lastly, the last thing I like about the stock is that if you look at the channel, right, the range that the stock has been trading in, it's always like down, up, down, up, down, up, and we can see that right here. What I think suggests a lot of strength in the stock is that we're going down and very quickly we're moving up again. So to me, that's a great bullish sign. Let's see how it goes.